I am. I am is an abbreviation for the word I am. It is used in combination with other words to tell someone about yourself. Let's see the sentences. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am excited. I am excited. I am busy. I am busy. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am leaving my job. I am leaving my job. I am from America. I am from America. I am so tired. I am so tired. I am sad today. I am sad today. I am confused. I am confused. I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old. I am happy. I am happy. You can also add descriptive words with I am, like as I am extremely tired. I am very happy. I am super excited. I am very nervous. I am terribly thirsty. I am terribly hungry. Like and share.